Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Gumroad Discover. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you've not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and log into your account if you have not already. If you do not have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, where at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections for managing our store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. And as you can see, one of the options in the middle of the page is Discover. So you can open up the Discover option directly from here. So now guys, we can follow this Help Center article right here on Gumroad Discover to learn what it is and how to use it. So what I suggest for you to do is go right here, the bottom left corner, open up the help page and use the search bar to find the Gumroad Discover option. So this is going to enable you to learn what it is. As you can see, Gumroad Discover recommends your products to prospective customers, helping you grow beyond your existing audience. And what I want you to do is find this article and read about everything right here, or how to go ahead and get eligible for it, how to use it, what the best settings are, and so on, to see how you can go ahead and use Gumroad Discover the best for finding new customers for your products. This is one of the most useful options that Gumroad offers, so you want to make use of it if you're just beginning with your store, and I suggest you go and read the article for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.